Good afternoon, Las Vegas A's baseball fans. Today is Sunday, June 7th, 2026. I am down here at the site of the old Mirage where they're building a new ballpark. Oh, excuse me. Joy just corrected me. It's not the Mirage, it's the Tropicana. And it's where they're building a new ballpark. And we've got, well, quite a bit of work done this week. I was just coming over here on Sunday to check it out because we're going to be here in the morning, bright and early, doing a 6 a.m. Broadcast, live stream. So be sure to set your alarms. Be sure to be here, and we'll kind of go over what we got going on. Last week, what we saw on Friday, they were installing these columns here. And these things are massive. I mean, weigh several tons, each of them. And they were going very slow with them. A lot of you are like, why is it taking them so long to lift those? And it's like, because the crane operator, just the physics of it, this crane operator over here, if that thing starts swinging, that thing could turn into a wrecking ball and completely bring down all the work that we've done so far. So they've got to be extremely careful when they raise these steel columns. They're huge, and we saw them do it. You can look at the one from Friday. I think some on Thursday too. We saw them bring them up, and then they put them in here, and they installed them here. So these are structural because these went into this building here. They weren't just hanging out. Like, they're not just mounted on top of the cement. They go into the ground. Like these here are mounted on these buttresses here, as you can see. Kind of creating this zigzag angle bracket. That's going to give a lot of support to this right here. Not sure what they're putting here, but it is getting these angles brackets, whereas like these ones over here do not have those. I don't know if they're going to put those in later. We'll see. We'll see on Monday. I mean, they're kind of cruising along. We got a lot of this floor decking done. This was the big thing they were putting in on Friday, and as you can see, they've got it all squared off. They've all got it. They used that chop saw to make sure it fits properly. So I wanted to get down here because there were some rumors flying around that they might be lifting the truss tomorrow. I thought that might be a little soon, but because these have a way to go. They were still working on these on Friday when we were here. You guys remember. And now we have half the truss raised over here, half of it. It's looking pretty sharp. But they're also, and I'm trying, I'm thinking maybe later in the week I'll go on the other side and get other angles. But for today, we're gonna keep watching them build here. But maybe we can get some shots over there on the other side from one of those other properties. They have a little bit higher. Kind of looking on the other side, it might be more interesting. We'll see. So these are more of those angle brackets you can see in there, and on the ballpark cam, you'll see that there's another truss on the inside that they're going to be lifting as well. So imagine this truss here they're building. Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe this doesn't go here. I don't know where this goes. Maybe this isn't part of the second truss build. Because there's another truss that they're building over there. You can see the tail end of it right here. And that looks more like what we see over here on this side. So kind of looks like the tower crane there, and then big right next to it. That maybe, you know, they'll probably lift it from on that spot. So we got some stuff going on in the infield as well. You can see it creeping in here. It's kind of nice and quiet down here on a Sunday. Everything's staged over here, ready for Monday. I kind of got that dug deep there. Okay, guys. All right, this is just a quick little update so we can kind of see where we're going to start tomorrow. Let's check in tomorrow and see how we're doing. Monday morning. See you there.